don't want to go over that road,
Okay.
and you don't want to go over delta. So in the middle is perfect.
Okay, sure.
Like what we are doing right now. Okay, car beats up. We just gotta.
On the ground, Charlie 5, clear tax 12, thank you.
Charlie 5, Roger.
Nice. Good. Flying your attitude really well right now. Don't look inside.
Yeah, it's
Clear
clear.
right. Clear left. Okay, let's point towards Lima.
Yeah.
I'll help with the countdown, okay?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Nice.
60 knots.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Auto rotation in 3, 2, 1. So down, right? Close. Bump.
bump.
Nice, good job. Now you look inside, see the bump worked. Maybe just a little bit more.
Okay.
There you go, nice. So now hold that attitude as best as you can. 200 foot checks look good. Wait, now flare, throttle, progress, start raising,
Yeah.
start raising,
Level
and left pedal, there you go. So,
Yeah.
entry was not bad,
Okay.
glide was good. The main thing that happened in the flare was,
Yeah.
it takes a while to get used to it, but it's more like you got to taste the flare and then progress as required.
Okay.
So what happened was we just flared.
Okay.
So it's very, we'll try another one.
Yeah.
I'll try to actually help you a little bit with the cyclic.
Okay.
If the timing still feels like, I want it to be a little different,
Okay.
I'll show you the third one, okay? Then I'll
sure.
demonstrate it. But otherwise, that was good. Let's take off.
Yeah, just fuel carb heat.
The way the throttle came on, everything was good. It was just, you got to wait a little longer. Like I had
Okay.
to actually stop you from trying to flare a little high.
Okay.
So, what happens is, we call out 200 foot checks,
Yeah.
right? At that particular point, right after we say that, now we are looking at the viewer.
Okay.
You're not looking any closer than the viewer.
Yeah.
Because what happens is, it looks like the road is coming very close.
Yeah.
And then it's like, oh my god, I need to slow down.
Yeah.
So look at the viewer or beyond the viewer.
Okay.
And then you'll be able to feel where the earth is coming towards you from the side.
Okay.
And then you'll be like, okay, gentle. Oh, okay, progress.
Okay, sure. Let's try this one.
Yeah, right?
It's clear.
So, the trick to flying, I'll be very honest with you.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about the first 20 hours, but after that,
Yeah.
more or less you know what to do. Okay, if it speeds up, you know you have to go aft cycling.
Aft cycling.
If it slows down, you know you need to go forward cycling. If RPMs increase in an auto, you know you have to race. So, you know what to do.
Yeah.
It's all about being able to see the right thing at the right time.
Okay.
Because if you see the right thing at the right time,
Yeah.
whether I'm here or not, you will make the right input.
Okay.
That's why.
Clear.
So, how I teach people is basically, that's kind of in the entry, I'm like, don't look inside, you look outside.
Okay.
In the flare, you look there.
Yeah.
Because if you look at the right things, you will do the right thing.
Yeah.
Corner Tower 3 Papa Juliet at downwind.
Helicopter 3 Papa Juliet, South Alpha, South of Charlie, clear for the option.
South of Alpha, south of Charlie, clear for the option. 3 Papa Juliet, thank you.
Okay, 1 second, don't mind what I'm about to do.
What?
I'm flying, I'll call you later. Okay, sweet. 3 calls, that's why I was like, stop calling me. Yeah. My mother gets worried very easily.
It's clear.
Nice. Sweet. So it's all about like a good setup. It'll help you with like a nice entry. It'll help with everything. And the entry timing was okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll enter at almost the same time. The flare would have helped us get better to the spot. So I'm gonna help you with that a little bit.
Okay. It's clear. We balloon a little bit.
Yeah. So
Clear.
talk about the feeling. So a little bit right pedal. There you go. Nice. Cool. Beat is up. Keep turning. Nice.
60 knots.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Auto rotation in 3, 2, 1.
Down.
Right. Close. Bump.
Bump.
Nice. It's okay. Little bit left pedal.
Yeah.
There you go. Just hold that attitude. Doing good. It's okay. Even if the RPM is slightly on the low side, it'll come
Okay.
back up. 200 foot checks look good. Wait. Look at the viewer. Look beyond. Wait. Now. Gentle
Okay,
flare.
okay. Yeah,
Throttle.
roll.
Progress. Wait. Just wait.
Yeah.
Progress more. Start raising.
Level and left pedal.
Yeah. So you saw how
Yeah.
you can actually gently flare.
Okay.
It's like that's how you start the gentle one and then you progress as required.
Yeah.
So you could have progressed it a bit more, but I like this better because you actually just tasted it a little bit
Okay.
and then you could have progressed it a bit more to stop it. And this timing was also way, way better.
Okay.
And you saw how we actually flared way lower than we did the previous time.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's try again.
Yeah. Light start, gauges, fuel, carb heat.
And in the entry, your attitude is staying good.
Yeah.
Your pedals are staying good. I even like the way you closed and bumped. You just had a little bit of left cyclic.
Okay.
It's okay. Nice. It's because of where your hand is with the cyclic. That's actually all it is. It'll take a while to get used to it though. So I'm not gonna like over try to force you right now.
Yeah. Like first 20 hours my hand was like here.
Yeah.
It's clear.
The thing is, we'll talk about it later. I'll talk about it to James too.
Tower Sumo 15, I'd like to take up our clearance back to PHNT, please.
We can level out.
Nice.
It's clear.
Sumo 15, Kona clearance, standby 1.
Light start, gauges, fuel, carb heat.
Kona Tower 3 Papa Juliet at downwind.
3 Papa Juliet, Alpha, south of Charlie, clear for the option.
South of Alpha, south of Charlie, clear for the option 3 Papa Juliet. Thank you.
Cool.
Sumo 15, Kona clearance, you're cleared to the Kaneohe Bay Airport via Victor 7, Molokai, Nuds. On departure, maintain 10,000. Departure frequency is 119.3, squawk 2107.
And Sumo 17 is cleared to Kaneohe Bay via Victor 7, Molokai to Nudzi, and on departure come up to 10,000. Departure frequency is 119.3, squawk 2107.
Sumo 15, read back.
The winds are picking up again. Huh. I'm getting more westerly. Fucking nonsense airport. At least we got a few in. Okay.
It's clear.
Yep. To the left. Nice. Okay.
Yep.
Straight in auto rotation in 3, 2, 1.
Down, right, close, bump.
There you go. Nice. Just hold that attitude. You don't have to do anything.
Okay.
Look outside. See?
Yep.
Little bit left pedal, right?
Yep.
Little bit left pedal. Yep. Just hold that. 1000 updraft. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Just hold it.
Yep.
200 foot checks look good.
Good.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Helicopter
Now, gently
787
flare.
off Juliet with you, ILS.
Throttle. Progress. Progress.
Helicopter 787
Start
Alpha
raising.
Juliet, Kona Tower, runway
Start
17,
raising.
clear to
Left
land.
pedal. Level.
317, clear to land. Helicopter 787 off Juliet.
Cool.
Yep.
Not bad. Yeah, so this one too, basically it's like the flare progression.
Okay.
So start, progress, and you can progress a bit more. And the reason the throttle was, the RPM was doing that is because there's an updraft and a downdraft.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh shit, and then the attitude changed a little bit. That's why I was like, it's okay, ignore it, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, I have controls for a second. I'm gonna show you something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back a little bit. Sweet. Okay. So I'll tell you why I'm saying it's your cyclic position, okay?
Yeah.
The main problem that James had with you putting your cyclic over here was that it was over the leg and it's not controlling.
Yeah.
So what I recommend to people is hold your cyclic above your legs. James can't because his legs are huge.
Yeah.
So this way you're not, nothing is obstructing it. What's happening, I can't do it with my legs, but you're basically flying like this.
Okay.
So it's hitting it.
Okay.
So that's kind of why I'm like, hold it a little higher and just fingers. Like honestly, you can even fly with 2 fingers. So you can even like fly like this. whatever. So, but basically less fingers
Yeah.
and try to hold it a little higher. Then it won't be obstructed anywhere.
Okay.
So, maybe today is probably not the best time to try it,
Yeah.
but that's what I want you to aim for. So, this can rest here. It's the cyclic that should not rest here.
Okay.
Like, but if you don't rest your hand down at all, you have more control.
Okay.
So, this is probably what you're looking for, like something like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You got controls?
My controls.
Yeah, you got it. Nice. Sweet. Let's take off and we'll request the high pattern and we'll do some 180s.
12 altimeter 2995.
So, let's take off.
My start gauge is full copy.
7 Alpha Juliet, J request after this inbound. 7 Alpha Juliet, after this, like a VFR departure to the south for a low
So stay over this road till we get like a little bit of height and then we go to the left.
Low approach, thanks.
Because if we have like a aborted takeoff.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
The pedal. Yeah. Cool. What are we requesting for?
I'll request. It's okay. You can. I request high pattern for South Alpha.
High pattern for South Alpha.
Yep.
Okay. Shall I request right now?
Yeah.
Coconut Tower, helicopter 3 Papa Juliet, requesting high pattern for South Alpha.
After 3 Papa Juliet, high pattern approved.
Approved.
Approved 3 Papa Juliet, thank you.
Sweet. So we'll be doing 180s, right? So
Okay.
we'll have to set up 800 feet, 60 knots, subbeam the spot. I
Okay.
know you've not really done them here,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna help you. So the upwind is still kind of where the truck is,
Okay. Yeah.
or slightly beyond the truck. So keep climbing and going. And then once you pass the truck, you gotta start to turn to the left. Basically, the thing is, we don't want to go over the golf course.
Yeah.